Hey, Amaludians, welcome to Amaluded YouTube channel. According to statistics, 95% of traders change their trading systems every month. 5% focus on one trading system for a long time. If you need consistency in your trading results, you have to show up every day. You need patience to wait for A plus setup. You have to stop focusing on money. Sure, we all need money, but you need to shift your mindset and your focus on money and divert it on the process. You have to enjoy the process. You have to love the journey. You have to have fun during the process. And I want to encourage you today, don't stop improving and learning always. In today's video, I'm going to explain the overall market sentiment for the week. And if you're enjoying this, go and click on the like and subscribe button, turn on the notification button so that you can be the first to get notification when next we upload another exclusive Forex video tutorial. As you all know, as a professional price action trader, you have to understand the sentiment. You have to understand which party is ruling the market. Is it the buyers? Is it the sellers? Are they the one ruling the market? You have to figure it out as a professional price action trader. Once you're able to know who is dominating the price action or the market currently, it will make the work much easier for you to forecast or analyze in probability where the market is heading to at the end of the day. This is pounds US dollar. As you all know, the initial price action movement was bullish some weeks ago, right? Price formed higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then we have higher high, higher low. Then we have higher high. Remember, in our bullish structure rules, says that the recent higher low must not be taken out. In a situation whereby the market is trending up like this, the rule says that this recent higher low must not be taken out. Price can give us a retracement phase down to this zone like this, can give us a retracement phase down to this place, but this recent higher low must not be taken out. This recent higher low must not be taken out. Price must not trade below it. Whatever that makes the price to trade below this recent higher low, that means the bullish sentiment is no longer valid anymore. Now we are now back to bearish sentiment. That is when we shift our focus to keep on selling the market to the downside. But in a situation like this, if you look at this price action now, you will agree with me that this price action is bearish now. Why? This place was serving as a last low. This place was serving as a last low during this market, serving as a last low, while this place was serving as a last higher high. What happened? Market sold massively throughout last week and took out this higher low during this bullish market condition, right? Now, as a result of that, that changes the direction of the market to a bearish movement. Now, that is when we have to figure out our frequency key levels. Now that the market has changed the direction or the overall sentiment to bearish now where are we anticipating to start selling the market? Where are we anticipating to sell the market? That is the next question that we need to ask ourselves. Once you are able to figure that out, then you need to mark and establish the frequency key level. Now, on 4 hours time frame, you agree with me that we have a price action here like this, whereby we having reversal chart pattern for bearish reversal chart pattern system, whereby we're having shoulder, then the head, then the neckline like this, then back to the shoulder, right? Then the next one back to the zone here, right? Now we are now having shoulder here, shoulder, head, then we're having shoulder here. Right now, the structure is now back to berry, whereby we're having higher high, higher low, higher high, but market took out this higher low here. So now we're now back to bearish movement. That make it a valid head and shoulder price action system. Now, another frequency key level is around this zone here. These are the two zones that I am watching out for. Price can retest this key level zone, then sell down, or price can also retest this key level zone and also sell down. Those are the two frequency key level zone that I'm watching out for on pounds US dollar. And another confirmation is that our uptrend line has been invalidated, right? Our uptrend line, our valid uptrend line throughout last week has been invalidated, whereby we're having first touch around this zone here, then second touch around this zone here, then on the third touch, price took it out, right? Price broke this trend line to the downside. That gave us the validation that this price is going to sell down. So these are the two PO high points of interest that I'm watching out for during this week, so that I will be able to sell pounds US dollar. The next pair on my watch list is AUD USD, Australia dollar against US dollar. Now, looking at the price action, now you agree with me that this price action is also bearish, right? Price formed higher high, higher high here, then higher low. Price failed to give us a new higher high. What happened as a result of that? Price formed equal high, then we had lower low, lower high, then lower low. Simple as ABC. Now we are now back to bearish structure on AUD US dollar. That shows that on 4 hours time frame, what we are anticipating is to watch out for zones where we can take sell opportunity on 4 hours time frame now. And the next thing is to establish our frequency key level zone. Where are the frequency key level zones? We have this zone here. Then we also have another frequency key level zone here. Remember, this space was serving as a resistance before. This space was serving as a resistance before here. Let me change it. Then another resistance here before the price took it out, broke this resistance to the upper side. So there is tendency, if price is coming back in the future, that shows that this price can retest this former resistance now turn to support, then now back to resistance. It was acting as a support around this zone, but price took it out. Now we are expecting the price to retrace and retest this resistance so that we can take opportunity. And if this resistance did not hold, this space is going to be our next target to sell this AUD US dollar. And if you look at this overall structure, you agree with me that price has already intersected the uptrend line on 4 hours time frame. If you establish the uptrend line, you will see that this guy has been taken out, right? From this point here to this point here, you understand that price took the uptrend line. That gives us another validation that this price is going to sell, right? Price took it out, gave us a retest here last week, then price sold down and took out this support level here. Last week, we were expecting the price to retest this resistance here, but failed to do so. Now, this is another resistance here, serving as resistance before. Price took it out. Again, now turned to resistance again. That we're expecting price to sell down on 4 hours time frame. Now, let's see what the market is doing on Euro USD. On Euro USD, the price action is about to start selling, right? Now, if you draw the uptrend line, you see that the uptrend line has been intercepted as well. That's confirmation one. And the price action is already forming bearish reversal chart pattern, whereby we're having shoulder, we're having head. This is a neckline, and we're expecting price to come to the right shoulder so that we can take a sell opportunity. So this zone here is where we're anticipating this price to come down to. That is a valid zone for us to short the market. And if you check the historical data, this particular resistance zone was serving as a key level zone some months ago, right? Serving as a resistance around this zone here. If you draw it to this zone, serving as resistance here, then also serving as resistance around this zone here. Serving as resistance around this zone here, right? Now, after that, price took it out, now turned to support. Now, price came back again to break it down. So this place is now serving as resistance back. So we're expecting price to retest this guy so that we can take a sell opportunity. And if you are shorting the market from the second shoulder, this place is going to be our first take profit, while this key level zone is going to be our second take profit level. So this place is our first take profit level, and also this zone is going to be our second take profit level. Simple as ABC. You don't need to stress yourself. All you have to do is to follow Amalude blueprint formula and use it to analyze the market every day. Don't stress yourself. Don't try to complicate things together. Simple setup, simple analysis is the key to your trading profitability. Please kindly click on the subscribe button, like, and turn on the notification so that you can be the first to receive our next exclusive video tutorial. Supporting us to do these 3 things will help YouTube to recommend our YouTube video to other people and also boost our YouTube channel algorithm. And if there's any trading system you want us to do the video tutorial, you can notify us in the comment section. See you next time, guys.